All right, guys, this week we're going to talk about BYOD. So, BYOD is bring your own device. So, a lot of companies now are looking at the possibility of using this, and this would involve their employees using their personal devices to do work at home, usually. So, what is the pros and what are the cons of using this type of technology or use case for your business? Obviously, the biggest pro is cost. The company doesn't have to buy the employees their own devices to do their work on. But this can also lead to some not so good issues as far as security goes or compliance issues. So if you're a company and you're considering allowing your employees to use their personal devices for work, there's a couple of things you should consider. Number one is security. So what is the security of those devices? Do they have the right endpoint protection on there? What happens if one of those devices gets stolen? Another consideration is compliance. So, do you meet all the compliance standards if your employees are accessing your company data on those personal devices? And number three is definitely the biggest consideration, which is workflow. So, are those devices and the operating systems of those devices compatible with the systems that you use for your office? So, those are the biggest things that we consider with BYOD. So, if you're completely cloud based, there's a chance you may be able to do this in a compliant way. But if your business is using a VPN or some other type of data access that your employees have, it's very possible that BYOD would not be possible in order for you to stay compliant at the same time. So today we're going to make a drink called the Mobile Mojito. So we got our glass of ice here with some lime wedges and some mint in here. And we're going to take 2 ounces of rum. I would pour generously here. And then after that, we're just going to take a little bit of seltzer and top that off. We muddled these mint leaves here in the bottom, and we have 3 lime wedges in there. And there's also 2 tablespoons of sugar in here. So here we go. All right, guys, we'll see you next week.